Some benefits of improved foundations. Obviously, you want to have a comfortable living space. You want to eliminate any mold-related odors, prevent mold and mildew, restrict entry of soil gases and radon, like radon and methane. You want to avoid adverse health effects, and you also want to reduce your energy bills. So how does water get into basements? Well, it rains. When it rains, we have a lot of water that gets saturated into the soil and tries to make its way into the basement. Well, as it's raining, it's also going to deflect off your cladding, and then you have a lot of surface water runoff. You also have a lot of humidity and moisture in the air. And then below grade, you're always going to have 100% relative humidity. It's extremely damp, the soil at a constant all year long, and that moisture is always going to want to work its way in through the foundation wall, up through the footing, or up from underneath the slab and work its way into the basement. So common basement problems that we see, obviously, leaks, dampness, rotting of building components, elevated relative humidity, poor air quality, possible radon and methane leaks that get into your basement, and low energy efficiency. This results in very uncomfortable living space, adverse health effects, high energy bills, shortened building life, and reduced property value.